Hello, good morning all. Hello, good morning. Can you hear me? Good morning.
Good
Okay.
morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. So, just here to be as yesterday, I have mentioned that you have to mention your division, then your roll number, and then your name, surname, and name, because of which I can enter your attendance properly. Okay, so let's we start with our topic that is in division B. We have covered this one Rauwolfia drug, but in division A, the drug is there is not covered. Okay, so here in this way there is revision also and the teaching also is there. So Rauwolfia, the drug is there is just like this one, snake like. The shape of the drug is there just like a snake is there. Okay, so the name is given Rauwolfia serpentina. Why the name is so given Rauwolfia serpentina? Here, observe that one, the snake-like structures are there. Serpentina, the name is there is to be given because of the snake-like structure, serpentina. And Dr. Rauloff searched this drug or identified this drug which is to be used in the treatment of the hypertension. So the drug is used to decrease the hypertension to the normal one. And that's why the drug is used as a anti-hypertensive. Some of the people are there that should suffer by the tranquilizers. Okay, in Marathi we call it as a feet, mirgi. Okay, the excess aggressive behavior is there that is not to be controllable. In that case, the body symptoms either is just like that one. The body is not going to be control on that one sign and symptoms. In that case, the drug is just be given as a and tranquilizing agent is there to calm and quiet the patient. So the drug is just be given. So in our medicinal garden, we have this one drug. Just the flowers are there that like a red or white color flowers are there as you observe. The leaves are there that is somewhat larger one. Okay. Likewise, these are the some of the information that regarding this one drug, where the roots are there that shows the high percentage of the active chemical components. So that we are going to use these drugs. Okay. So in case of this one, name of the drug is there that is Rauwolfia serpentina. The name is given because of the Rauwolf is the scientist who searched this one drug. And because of the snake-like structure, the name is given Rauwolfia serpentina. Just like this one, snake-like structure is there. Okay. The common names are there. Means, what do you mean by common name? The common names are nothing but the name by which the drug is very well known or popular, and that is to be easily identified. So these names are there that is known as a common names are there. For example, Rakesh Sangashetty is the official name, but that person where that is to be found, the no one is there known by this name official name that is a Rakesh Sangashinti. Okay, I'm going to take this an example. Not if someone is their name that is not to be please take lightly. Okay. So in case of this one, if that person is well known in that local area, just like Tipu, okay. So when you go in that one particular area and you say that where is Rakesh Sanghas Shetty, no one is going to be identify that name. No one is not know aware about this one particular name. But if you say that where is Tipu, then he can reach to you to that one particular place where that one is there that is where reside. So likewise, the names are there that is known as a common name, or we can say that the synonym. So the snake root is also known. Indian snake root, then devil pepper is there, serpentine is there, serpentine wood, sarpaganda, Rauwolfia serpentina, chota chan, black snake root. Most of the time, the question is asked, write detailed monograph of the chota chan. At that time, you know that chota chan is nothing but a drug that is Rauwolfia serpentina. Okay, so if you know the detail about this one drug, then only you can write. You know detail means what? You know the synonyms also. Whatever it may be, the question is that should be asked by the examiner. You must have to mention that one. Okay. If Chota Chan is there, yes, Chota Chan is the synonym of that one drug, that is Rauwolfia serpentina. So you know Rauwolfia serpentina, then you can write anything related with that one particular drug. So the botanical name is there Rauwolfia serpentina. Biological source include it consists of the dried root, which is to be obtained from a plant species Rauwolfia serpentina, belonging to family Apocynaceae. So what is the drug that belonging to the same one family? That is a vinca. That also shows the presence of the Apocynaceae family. Where is the native place? Shivalik hill of Himalaya. In case of the Himalayan region, when the Shivalik hills are there, at that one particular area, this drug is found. Where the another one space that drug is found? Dharmantari Medicinal Garden of the Sanjeevani College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. This is the another one space. You found that one particular drug. Okay. Now, how you are going to identify that one particular drug? The drug is there should be identified by having a black berries or purple color berries are there. This red color as berries are there. Okay. In the initial condition, and the purple color berries are there in the final conditions are there. By this way, you can identify that one particular drug. Okay. So the drug, biological, so the drug is Sarpaganda. It consists of the dried roots of the Rauwolfia serpentina belonging to the family Apocynaceae. Okay. Now, something about description of this one drug from the ancient period of the time. The drug there is well known. There are 4,000 years back in Indian medicine therapy. The drug is there that should be utilized. This is an erect shrub is there which is having near about 5 feet is there, 5 feet to 10 feet height of this one particular plant is there. This is a flowering plant is there. The leaves are there that's about 7 to 10 centimeter long, where its flowers are there that is about 1 inch red color or the white color flowers are there that is we observe on this one. It contains a nectar at the top of the corolla tube. The blooming time is in the month of August as well as the September. Means the flowering conditions are there in the month of the August to September. Means now August is started, so the flowerings are there that you have to be see there. The flowerings are there that is started. That is to be remain for up to the September. The root is branch and the tubers. Means the root is having the more branches where the tubers are also there on this one particular root. It is useful in case of the Ayurveda, Unani, as well as the homeopathy for the treatment. As for the various purposes, this as the drug is snake-like structure means someone is think that the drug is there that it should be utilized in case of the snake poisoning, venom poisoning also. So because of this one, the drug is there is utilized from the ancient period of the time in Ayurveda also, as well as the Unani medicines also, as well as the homeopathy medicines also. So likewise, the treatments are there that is to be given. How this one drug is used in case of the homeopathy? We know that some of the diseases are there that she uprooted by utilizing the same disease causing agent. We are going to paralyze that one, and because of which we are going to be uprooted. So same treatment is there that should be there in case of the homeopathy. Okay. So likewise, the drugs are there that are to be given in case of the disease condition. Hope all of you understand till now. So the what is the flowering conditions are there? And the flowering plant is the in the raceme of the Apocynaceae family. Just like the structures of the leaves are there here to be observed near about 7 to 8 centimeter length on Monday. I show you this one particular plant. Bring a branch of this one particular plant in the class and show you that how this one plant is there. Okay. So likewise the truck is there. Evergreen is there, height about 60 centimeter, means from the 2 feet to 5 feet is the total height of this one particular plant, or really more than that also. It consists of the irregularly yellowish roots are there that you observe, as the roots are there that is in the brown. So the color of the roots are there that is a brownish one. But when you have to be clean that one, just take the sections of this one root. You are to be observe that the yellowish root is there. Okay. So leaves are there that are simple one. Oppositely arranged here. You have to be observe that one. The opposite arrangement of the leaves are there. They are about 3 to 4 to 10 centimeter long is there, and 5 centimeter width is there. Then fruits are there that is about 2 centimeter in diameter is there. Mostly the pink color and the purple when the ripe one. At the initial stage, the fruits are there that are pink color, and at the final stage, the fruits are there that is a purple color. Okay, flowers are there that is a uh, glorious one. White to pinkish white colors are there that are with red pedicle is there. Should be observed on the flowers. Means the what is the stem portion or the pedicle portion of the flowers are there that is a pink one or red color is there that should be observed. This plant is there that is about 60 centimeter perennial, glabrous, erect, and grows up to a height about 60 centimeter or more than that. So the root at the tubers are there that is a pale brown color is there. Okay, flowers are flowers are white, often has a violet color. So regarding the geographical source where this one plant is that she found that are dedicated to Nepal, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bhutan is there, Burma is there. Okay, these are the different regions are there where you found this one particular plant. That is observed from the height of the sea level that is near about 100 to 900 meter. Okay, color is there that is burly gray, grayish, yellow to brown color. Wood is there that is you observe pale yellow color is there. Odor is not to be there, and taste is there is the bitter one. So this is the one root is there that you have to be observed internally, that is somewhat yellowish color, whereas on the external one side it is to be observed just like that one. Okay, snake like structure is there is to be observed in case of that one particular root. So the name is given Rauwolfia serpentina. Regarding its microscopy, it shows this is the one fibers are there that you observe. Okay, these are the cork cell. Cork, every root or every bark or every wood portion shows the presence of the bark. Okay, so in the bark there is a cork cells are there that are to be present. Okay, these are the tracheids are there that is also to be observed. Then these are the vessels are there which is to be observed. The generally tears is there to be look like this one. This is the central image is there where you have to be observe the transverse section. Okay. If you observe the detail, whenever there is a question is to be asked, draw a well-labeled diagram of the transverse section of the Rauwolfia. This diagram you must have to draw. Okay. On the upper side, or we can say that the external side, this is the at the bottom side, this is the central portion. If the circle is there, in the circle if you take the uneven portion from the center to the periphery, so at the bottom side what you have to be observe here, whatever the arrow is there, this one portion is there that is toward the center, and this one cork portion is there that is toward the periphery. So cork layer it shows a quadrangular cell which are to be compactly arranged just like that. These are the dead cells are there, but they are to be present into the 4 to 5 layers are there. These layers are there that are present. Okay. Just below there, there is a phylloderm region is there. Cork as well as this one phylloderm is that is the mesophyll region is there. The phylloderm region is there. In case of this one phylloderm, There is a starch grains are there that are to be observed. It also shows the presence of the calcium oxalate crystals are there towards in at the periphery of the secondary phloem. These calcium oxalate crystals are there that you observe here. These are nothing but your sieve tubes are there that you observe here. These larger size circles are there. These are the vessels are there. Vessel means the openings are there which is present in case of that one particular structure is known as a vessels are there. Then wood parenchyma is there. That is also to be there. These are the medullary rays are there. Biserate type of the medullary rays are there that you observe. Then wood fibers are there. That is a yellowish, blackish color. The circles are nothing but the in a compact manner. What are these cells are there that you are in? That is nothing but your wood fibers are there. Just like the structure is there that you observe in case of the transverse section. So whenever there is a transverse section is there that you show mention that there is presence of the calcium oxide crystal starch grain. How you are going to identify the starch grain? When you are going to stain the section by utilizing the dilute iodine solution. Wherever there is a blue color structures are there, you say that yes, this is the starch grains are there. Whenever you are going to add sulfuric acid, okay, the crystals are there that is get to be dissolve. If you are going to add acetic acid, the crystals remain as such other parts of the plant body that get dissolved. Okay. So likewise, you have to be observe the transfer section. So this is the model is there that is shown made by this one abs lab is there which prepared this one model. Okay. So here these are the sieve tubes are there that you observe calcium. Here these are the calcium oxide crystals. Here these are the starch grains are there which have to be observed. That is a blue color starch grains are there that you observe. Okay, these are the secondary phloems are there blue color. Wherever these blue color parts are there, these are the secondary phloems are there that shown here. These are the biserate, uniserate, medullary rays are there. Okay. Then these are the vessels are there which are to be observed in case of this one particular structure. Okay. Now, generally the transfer section is there that should appear just like that one. When you have to be take this one particular portion, you have to be observe the transfer section. Okay. For cortex, cambium, cambium. These are the separation line which separate the vascular internal structure from the external one. So for the cultivation and collection, it requires a humid climate. It does require a temperature near about 10 to 37 degrees centigrade, altitude near about from sea level, 1300 meters from the sea level. The region is known as a altitude is there. So in this region, the drug is there is to be mostly cultivated. Then plantation is there should be done in the month of June to July. So plantation is there should be done either by seed method, root method, or we can say that the stem methods. Any one part of the plant body is utilized for the propagation. So seeds are there that is shown by the broadcasting method, where the seedlings are there that if the seeds are utilized, they are getting the seedling. Then seedlings are there that is should be transplanted at distance of the 7.5 to 12 centimeter. Okay, then organic matters, about 25 to 30 tons of per hectare organic matters is there should be required, such as sodium, potassium, phosphorus. In short, we call it as a NPK. So sodium near about 20 kg per hectare per annum is there. Potassium 30 kg. Phosphorus is also 30 kg. Likewise, the quantities are there that you require for the better yield of the crop. So propagation method is direct sowing method is not given the good result because of the poor germination rate. So what are the seeds are there that should raise in the seed beds? About 5.5 kg seeds are there that should required per hectare. The root cuttings are there that is near about 2.5 to 3 centimeters. Stumps are there that are to be cut and then they are to be sown. Okay, the stems are there that are to be cut 50 to 20 centimeter in length, and then three internodes should be planted in the month of the July to August. Means this is the time period where the completion you must be at the completion stage of the sowing of the your stems if you have to be cultivate the Rauwolfia by utilizing the stem methods are there. Okay, regular irrigation is actually required. Okay, intercropping is beneficial if you have to be intercrop that one particular drug, or between the two crops of the Rauwolfia if you have to be take another one crop such as the garlic is there in case of the winter season, that is a favorable to increase the yield of that one particular drug. Harvesting, the ideal age of the harvesting is there, that is 2 to 3 years of the plantation. Means once you have to be plant after 2 to 3 years, you are going to be collect that one particular drug. Okay. In addition to the thick tap root system, fibrous secondary roots should be collected. After 2 to 3 years, you have to be collect that one particular drug. Okay. And what is the thick portion of the roots are there that you have to be collected. Yield is there near about 2000 to 2500 means 2500 kg. Dried roots are there that you obtain per hectare if there. Drying is there by the natural method. You are going to be dry that one particular drug. Take care that at least 3% moisture is there should be required. Hmm? Not more than that or not less than that. Pack in a airtight container. Place in a cool and dry place. Sarpaganda is susceptible to the many diseases. So the spot leaf, right? So what are the mildew is there? Then dye, black disease. So the spraying of the Bordex mixture is there that should utilize. Then dithane Z78 for a dye black required is there among the pest caterpillars common. So spraying with the diathon 0.03% is there that is to be a suitable one. Chemical component, it shows mostly it shows indole alkaloids. Mostly the roots are there. It contains about 0.7 to 3% of the alkaloids are there. Indole alkaloid, not only the indole alkaloid, it shows the presence of the indolenine, indoline, oxyindole, sidoxyindole alkaloids are there. Means variety of the indoles are there. Just like indole, just you remember only indole. But you ultimately definitely know the other names: indole, indoline, indolenine, oxyindole, pseudoindoxil. Okay. So these are the types of the alkaloids are there. What are the actual alkaloids? By the names of the drug: Rauwolfia, serpentina, reserpine, serpent Rauwolfiaच्या नावावरून reserpine, rececinnamine. So by the name serpentina, serpentinin. Then these are the two other variety of the drugs which are not to be come in across with the name, that is the ajmaline and ajmalicine. So how you are going to be remember the name of the drug, or the we can say that chemical components: indole, indoline, indolenine, oxyindole, pseudoindoxil. Then by the name Rauwolfia serpentina, reserpine, rececinnamine, serpentina, serpentinine. Now what is not related with the drug? Ajmaline, ajmalicine. Okay. Then other than the chemical component, that is a fatty acid is there, unsaturated alcohol is there, fumaric acid is there. Likewise, the chemical components are there. Okay. This is the structure of indole. Okay. Just name this one: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like now, these are the in case of the metabolism, whether the complex material is the tissue converted into the simple material for a easy absorption, easy excretion. Okay, so this drug or the bond is that we break, and because of which the drug shows this particular pharmacological action. Okay, so the methoxy groups are there actually responsible to increase the metabolism. So these are the common structures are there. Serpentinine, reserpine is there, then ajmaline, ajmalicine is there, rececinnamine is there. You have observed that here everywhere there is the indole ring is there, and some of the changes that you have to be made in the structure, you are getting the another one structure. So the structure, once you remember a single structure, from this one you are getting the another one structure. And what is some of the another one? This is the structure of the ajmaline, which is quite somewhat different from the other structures. Here I show you that the similar structures are there. Okay. This is the structure of serpentine and this is the structure of ajmalicine is there. So there is a similarity there. What is similarity? What are the bonds? Are there double bonds in this one structure that they have to be removed here? Okay. And the remaining structure is there that is we saying. Once you study one structure, from this one you are getting the another structure. Just you have to be remember where the changes are there. Okay. These are the structures of the serpentine and ajmaline. Now the next one is there that is a reserpine and rececinnamine. Here the structure is there that is a two benzene ring indole rings are there to which the imidazole ring is there should be attached. Okay. This is the some of the basic structure is there. Till this structure, everything is same. Only the difference is there that this one there is a change is there. Okay, C double bond O and methoxy ring is there. Here C double bond O, CH double bond CH is there to this one. Benzene ring or methoxy group rings are there that issue there. So just you have to make such changes. You can remember the comparative structures. Likewise, just you have to be understand. This is the another one structure which is not similar with any other structure. So you remember this one structure by this way. This is the structure, quite simple. Is a yom bean. Okay, this is a structure of ajmalicine. This is the one structure where you get this. Now the chemical freshly fractured surface or the transverse section of the drug when treated with the nitric acid that gives you the orange color or the red color. Medullary rays are there that you observe in case of this one particular drug. Okay. Then the reserpine, vanillin acetic acid that gives you a violet coloration. The uses, the drug is mostly used as an antihypertensive in the treatment of the hypertension, then tranquilizers, then mild anxiety, neuropsychiatric disorders are there. In this case, the drug is actually utilized in the treatment of the circulatory disease or cerebral blood flow is there. In that case, the drug is there that should be utilized. Allied drugs such as the Rauwolfia tetraphylamine, similar drug, which shows the same chemical component. If the Rauwolfia serpentina is not available, then you can use Rauwolfia tetraphyla, Rauwolfia humitora, Rauwolfia densiflora, then Rauwolfia parkensis, Rauwolfia macrantha. Likewise, pharmacological action, mild to moderate hypertension is there, controlling the heart rate, arterial flutter, arterial fibrillations are there. In this case, you are going to use this one particular drug. Okay. Some of the other uses use as an antidote in case of the snake poisons also. Then reptiles, what are the insects, animals are there. In this case, the for the, as an antidote, the drug is there that should be utilized. Then intestinal disorders are there, pneumonia is there. In this case, drug is there should be utilized. Then in case of the eye infection also, the drug is there that is used. Okay. These are the dosage of the drug is there. Initial dose is there that is 100 to 150 milligram orally twice a day. Okay. Friends, within a 10 minutes, the link will get closed, but you have to remain rejoined by the same one. Okay, for 10 minutes again. After completion of this one lecture, again by the same link, you have to be joined. Okay, so in case of this one, just I'm going to take the attendance or Okay. So the Rauwolfia serpentina, why the dose, initial dose is 250 microgram once a day? Means there is a need to have some of the concentration in your body. So initial dose is 250 microgram. Afterward, the dose is there that should decrease. Okay. Then economic importance are there. These are the some of the Ayurvedic preparations are there where the drug is there that is Sarpagandha, then Ganvati is there, Sarpagandha Yoga, then Sarpagandha Churna, Maheshwari and by Himalaya company, the Serpina is the one which shows the presence of the Ayurvedic herbal drugs are there that is Rauwolfia serpentina. So in this way, your Rauwolfia serpentina is there should be completed and just you join by the same link your next one drug that we have to see. Okay, thank you. Join by the same link. Okay.